Hello everyone, my name is Jamin. Thanks so much for visiting my channel. In this video, I have a ThinkPad T14. I'm going to show you how to get inside, access your speakers. So first thing guys, power down the computer the correct way. Make sure it's off and unplugged from your charger. We're then going to flip your computer over to access your bottom case screws. Now you have 7 screws by the red arrows. After you remove those screws, we're going to take a small, flat, plastic pry tool and we're going to go across the seam of the bottom case and pry it up from the rest of your computer. It's generally best to start near the back 2 hinges, and in this case, it was easiest to start right on top of that hinge with a small, narrow plastic pry tool. Make sure you don't put the pry tool too far in, keep it on the edge, go nice and slow but careful but firm, and you'll be able to get that bottom case off. After you remove the bottom case, this is what you're looking at for the rest of the computer. Now, as a general computer repair side note, whenever I'm working on a computer in my shop, it's sitting on an anti-static mat. Either that or an anti-static bracelet are great ideas to avoid damaging anything in your computer when you're working on it. If you would like any help with tools or supplies for your project, as well as any upgrade or replacement parts for this specific model, the T14, there will be a link above. Also below in the description, it'll have all of those tools and supplies and all of these replacement parts for this model computer. Now, before touching anything in a computer, I always remove or at least unplug my battery. Computers are safer to work on when as little power as possible is running through them. So here's your battery right down here. The battery is held down by these 6 screws and plugs into the motherboard right there. And the plug itself is not wired, it's actually part of the battery. So after removing all the screws, you just lift the battery up and that unplugs it from the motherboard. Okay, so now that the battery has been unplugged, it's safe to proceed deeper into the computer. You have a single speaker bar in this computer right up here. It's very, very thin, this black bar right up top. Now this isn't actually screwed down. You see these teal rubber washers here over the posts for sound insulation? That's all that's holding it down. So you can wiggle that right off of those posts to get it out. Be very careful with the cord. Speaker wires are usually very fragile. If you're trying to unplug it, try to just pull it by the plug and try not to pull too hard on that cord. But it's these wires that plug into the motherboard right here. I will have a speaker bar replacement option if you would like help locating one below in the description in that link I told you about with all the replacement and upgrade parts for this model computer. Also, make sure if you are installing a new speaker bar, you run the wires exactly as run in your computer. Take a picture of your computer, something to show you exactly how it's run so that when you close it back up, that wire is not getting pinched against anything. And I guess the last thing to mention about this kind of a repair, if you are having sound quality issues in your computer, if the sound audio is not consistent across different software, or if you're not hearing anything, it could be a bad speaker bar. You may have to replace it. But I would try making sure all my drivers are updated and my system is updated first to rule that out, possibly fix your issue before you come in for an invasive repair like this. I will have a video link above. Also below in the description, it'll show you how to do that. Make sure all of your drivers in your system are up to date. But that's the end of this video, how to get inside the ThinkPad T14 and access your speakers. Thanks again so much for watching. Please remember to like and share if this helped you out, if you think it can help someone else out. And feel free to subscribe if you enjoy DIY computer content like this, or if you just want to keep me on hand to answer any of your future computer questions. I do try to answer all questions throughout my channel at least a couple times a day. Also, feel free to check out the related links section below in the description. From time to time, I do try to add things in there that I think will help you with your general computer life, make it more productive, more enjoyable. So thanks again for watching, everyone. I look forward to seeing you on my next video.